Emacs, how to indent/unindent region of Python code by 4 spaces. I have a region of Python code selected in Emacs. What are the most efficient ways to indent and unindent every line in it by 4 spaces? Ideally, I'd like something that's not context sensitive, e.g. it'll allow me to indent passages within docstrings where the indentation does not relate to Python syntax. My mode line shows Python. Searching the web, I found a lot of discussion of using Python mode instead of Python, but I only started using Emacs a few days ago, so I'm wary of changing defaults before I have had a chance to understand in them. If changing to Python mode is the best option, I'm happy to accept that as an answer. What I've tried, from the manual. No effect. cm-no effect. cx, indent rigidly, indent every line by one column, and deselects the region. mi indents one first line by a tab, length of 8 spaces. cmq is undefined. The only way I've found is using regex replace, but that's an awful number of keystrokes for such a simple task.
Assuming that the variable Python indent is 4.
Indent rigidly takes a prefix argument indicating how much to indent by, so cu42 cx tab indents by 42 columns, and since the default prefix argument is 4, cu cx tab indents by 4 columns. If you want to select the region again, do cx afterwards.
Use the indent rigidly command with a numeric prefix. cu4mx indent rigidly to indent the region by 4 spaces, cu-4mx indent rigidly to remove 4 spaces.
You could also use column mode. Select the lines in column mode, then add 4 spaces to all of them at once. Jump to column 1 of the first line you want to indent. C to set mark. Move the point down to the last lines, stay in column 1. CXRT to enter column mode, or C if you've got qua mode. You can do a similar maneuver to delete 4 spaces, just include 4 columns in your marked region, steps 2 to 3, and hit.
Control